Yes, good morning, everyone. So here we have one drawing that we need to get the mass properties of this part. So first we need to analyze the drawing, take a look on it, which plane, which is feasible to start or easy to make the drawing. So according to it, there is an arrow here in the front view, so we can start our drawing in the front plane. So let's open the Solidworks. Create a new file. So new part. Okay. So initially we can set our units by selecting on options, document properties, units, MMGS, and make it as 2 decimal places. Select OK. And we can start on front plane. So front plane, sketch. So ready to start the sketch. So it's better to start at the point of origin, this drawing. So let's take the profile of this. So we will start at this point, making this view as a front view. So line, we'll create a line. So we have one horizontal line, one vertical, one horizontal. So in this drawing, it is better if we can fully define the sketch that we have. So how we are going to make it fully defined by adding some dimensions and relations to the sketch. So smart dimension, if we check the drawing, so we have 100 millimeters here, 12 here, 12 here. So these are equal length. Then we have 8, we have 20 here, the same side. Let's connect. So we have here 100 millimeters. Then you have 12 on it on this side. So 12. You have 8. We have here 20. From this point to this point, we have 20. And we can add some relations here. We're in this one, select this line, shift and hold the keyboard to the other side. So this one is equal. Add relations. So check on this properties manager. So make it equal. So 12 here, 12 here, as well as this line. Okay, select this green check mark. This line, shift on the keyboard, hold it, select the other line, make it equal. Select this green check mark. So these two lines are equal now. Now this length, let's give a dimension of 24 millimeters. So 24 millimeters here. So this is the height. And then this one, it should be on the middle of these two lines. So we can add some dimensions from this point. So select this point, midpoint of the line. Up to this edge, this is 50. So 50. That is automatically adjusted. So as you can see, all the lines are now in black and it is fully defined. So select this green check mark to agree. Now, let's check again the drawing. So it is extruded into 40 millimeters. So it is having a thickness of 40. So let's extrude it into 40 millimeters. So go to features, extrude, make it 40. Okay, 40. Select the green check mark. And this is the base of our drawing. Now let's take a look on these two holes here. So we have two all through hole on this side, which is 20 millimeters from the edge So how to do that sketch? So on this plane, we need to draw a circle on this plane. So select this plane. So it is highlighted in blue, as you can see. Select this plane and then sketch. So we will do the sketch here. So to make it easy for you, you need to make it normal 2, okay? Normal 2 perpendicular to the user. So just press Control 8. If you press Control 8 on the keyboard, then it will become perpendicular, okay? Or normal 2. So from this face, we can draw this circle. So we can draw this circle. Let's give a dimension of 20 from the edge. To make it on the middle, so again, we need to make some dimensions from here. Okay. So this circle is on the middle of this face. Select this green check mark. And we can add some reference line here, which is the center line. So draw a center line. So how to draw a center line? Pull this down, select center line. And from the midpoint of this, so midpoint, select this midpoint. Press escape on the keyboard to terminate. And then we will mirror this on the other side. How to do the mirror? Mirror entities. Select mirror entities. Entities to mirror, select this circle. Select this circle and then mirror about. Select this window here. Select this center line. So it is mirrored on the right side. Select this green check mark. And that's it. So let's try to extrude cut on this portion here. So go to features, extruded cut. Then let's check this one. So as you can see, it is extruded. Okay, extruded cut all throughout the part. Now from here, we need to draw again another arc here on this side. So select this face, sketch, select sketch. Again, press Control 8. So Control 8, you will now directed on this face. So from here, draw one arc. So we will choose a center point arc. Select a center point arc. We'll start with the center with this point. Select this point as center. Then starting point. Starting point. And this starting point here and then ending point on the other side. So you have this arc. So we need to draw again another line connecting this arc from this point up to this point. Check. So we have now a closed geometry here. Now it is ready for extrusion. So features, extruded boss or base. You can just rotate it to check. So we need to extrude it on the other side. So we need to select this direction, reverse direction. That is extruded on the other side. So we need to extrude it into a 20 millimeters thickness only, so that it will match with the base of our drawing. So select this green check mark, and that's it. Then we need one more circle here. So if we check our drawing here, we have one circle here with a radius of 12. So it is all through, okay? Extruded cut through this face. So the radius is 12. So again, on this one, sketch, select this face, then sketch, then Control 8. Press Control 8 on the keyboard, then draw one circle. Draw one circle, which is so where is the center of this? Okay, so we need to locate this center point. So we will start from there. Then here on the properties manager, we can type the radius as 12 here directly. So 12. Press enter, then select this green check mark. Then go to features, extruded cut. Extruded cut, check. So it is all through, or we can select it as blind. So it is cutting all throughout the part. So if you rotate your object, there is one hole here, which is having a radius of 12. So it is almost done. What is missing here? We check our drawing is the fillet corner here with a radius of 6. Fillet corner with a radius of 6. And we missed one, which is this radius, the radius of the circle that we have there. So we can just edit this circle. We will give the radius for it. You can just check this on this sketch. It's not the one. This sketch, okay? Sketch 2. Sketch 2. Edit sketch. So this is how you will edit your sketch. Sketch 2. So the circle is highlighted. Sketch 2. Edit sketch, okay? Edit sketch. Now at this point, just assign one radius. Select this point. Give a radius of 6. So the diameter is 12. So it is automatically adjusted on both sides. Select the green check mark and exit the sketch. Double check this. Diameter is 12. So radius is 6. Yeah, it's correct. Exit the sketch. Now from here, we will use a fillet, okay? Fillet. So under features, you have a fillet here. You can select this corner here, but we need to assign the radius first. So the radius fillet will be 6. 6, press enter. So this corner here, 1. This corner here, 2, 3, and 4. So select this green check mark. And that's it. Okay. So it completes our drawing. So from here, we can assign the material given. So right click, edit material. For example, they will ask you to assign a material of AAS 1020. Select this AAS 1020, apply, then close. How to get the mass properties? Evaluate mass properties. Okay. Evaluate mass properties. Then set this into 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So go to options, use custom settings, assign 2 decimal places, select OK. Then the answer is 597.91 grams. Okay. So this is how you draw this drawing.